Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Did you know that exercise-related injuries are more common than you might think? So, do you know the importance of stretching before and after your workout Today, we're diving into the crucial role that stretching plays in our exercise routines. It's not just about reaching for your toes. It's about protecting your body from potential Skipping harm. Your pre- and post-exercise stretches can lead to some serious consequences. Think muscle strains, joint injuries, and a whole lot of unnecessary pain. Trust me, you don't want to go down Let's that talk road. About the perks of stretching. Before you start your workout, stretching helps warm up your muscles, making them more flexible and ready to take on the challenge. And after you're done, it aids in muscle recovery, reducing soreness and stiffness. But here's the game changer. Incorporating proper stretching techniques can significantly slash the chances of getting sidelined by exercise-related injuries. It's like giving your body a shield against harm. To wrap it up, remember that stretching is not just a nice-to-have addition to your workout, it's a must. It's the key to keeping injuries at bay and ensuring you can stay on track with your fitness goals. So, don't underestimate the power of a good stretching. Boosts muscle flexibility and recovery, helping prevent injuries and ensuring you stay on track with your fitness Incorporating goals. Stretching into your routine boosts muscle flexibility, speeds up recovery, and significantly reduces the risk of exercise-related injuries. Stay safe and Stretching smart. Enhances your workout effectiveness, supports muscle recovery, and reduces injury risk, making it a critical component of any fit. Stretching is essential for optimal performance, preventing injuries and enhancing flexibility. Make it a fundamental part of your fitness routine for long-term benefits. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more fitness and health tips, and share your favorite stretching routines in the comments below. Together, let's stretch our way to a healthier, injury-free workout. Thanks for watching.